children, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So we completed our first lesson, Mowgli Grows Up. We heard the story of Mowgli and other animals. It was really interesting, right? So I hope all of you learned new words, meaning of the words and question and answers. Then what was the grammar I gave you? Nouns, right? Types of nouns. Hope you understood the concept well. Now we are going to start our second lesson. It is a small poem. Poem's name is really funny. Daddy fell into the pond. So now itself, you started to laugh, right? So the poem is really funny. Let's see. Lesson 2. Daddy fell into the pond. Have you heard the saying, laughter is the best medicine? A zookeeper ordered 3 monkeys over the phone. 10 days later, he got a delivery of 3 geese. He called up the animal supplier and inquired why he got geese instead of monkeys. The supplier answered that he indeed did send 3 white man geese with good feathers. Do you find this situation funny? Why? So I am not going to explain this joke. Jokes shouldn't be explained. Then there will be no fun in that, right? So you have to understand yourself. Got it? Or else I have to tell on your face. So once you come back to school, surely we will be discussing all these things. Right? Now let's see the poem. I'm going to read. You can read after me. Let us read about what happened when a grown man, the children's father, falls into a pond. Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond, and everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick! Oh, quick! He's crawling out of the duckweed. Click! Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently. And the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Oh, there was not a thing that did not respond when Daddy fell into the pond. So this is a small poem written by Alfred Noyes. Did you understand what is the concept of the poem? Did you understand that? So some days are just like that. Very moody, gloomy. We don't know what to do. Even we don't feel like to watch a movie. See here, everyone grumbled. What is the meaning of grumbled? Means complain in a bad-tempered way, without any reason. Also complaining, sometimes disappointment, anger. So simply moody. The sky was grey. It shows the what we have to say boring actually. If the sky is blue, we feel very energetic and a kind of happiness, right? Automatically our mood will be changing. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day. The day is almost ending. Dismal means dull, gloomy, a moody day. It's not at all happy day. And there seemed to be nothing beyond that. Okay, it's going to end. There is nothing to happen. It's just going to end. Then what happened? Daddy fell into the pond. Huh? So actually, when somebody falling first, what will you do actually? You people laugh, right? So means a simple fall or something like that. If it's bleeding and all, we never feel like that. Okay, some funny kind of falling, then surely we all laugh. Whatever the thing, we all laugh. Then only we think about helping. But we shouldn't laugh like that. That's not correct, but we cannot control. That's a reflex action actually. Automatically it happens. So here also the same thing happened. Who fell into the pond? Daddy fell into the pond. And everyone's face grew merry and bright. So I told you, till that time they were very moody. It was so boring, and they were in disappointment, anger, and their mood was not good. But that time the total situation changed. Merry means the happiness to the peak and bright. And Timothy danced for sheer delight. Timothy is the son, that is son, okay? Then sheer delight. What is the meaning of sheer delight? Means absolutely happy. Delight means happiness to the peak. Absolutely happy. Give me the camera, quick or quick. And he felt it's very funny. So this funny moment I have to click. So he clicked. And what he said, he's crawling. Crawling means what we have to say, it's not swimming. Just moving our hands and legs together to move, means just moving on the ground. Okay, ground here we cannot say water. He's crawling out of the duckweed. What is the meaning of duckweed? Flowering aquatic plant. Okay, aquatic means uh, those growing in the water. Click. He clicked the photograph. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently. Why the gardener did like that? Because even he's the servant, right? Even he was also laughing, but he wanted to control that. So he just slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently. He made himself silent there. And the ducks all quacked as if they were daft. Daft means mad, crazy. All the ducks making the sound quack quack. That's the sound duck is making, right? So all the ducks were making that sound like mad people. How means without any control. And it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Drake means male duck. Okay, drake means male duck. It's just like a male duck was laughing. Oh, there was not a thing that did not respond. Means all the thing. What all are the things? What all are the things at that home? All those things responded to daddy's fall. Dad, when daddy fell into the pond, the same thing only told here. When daddy fell into the pond, all the things responded. The total mood changed. The total atmosphere of the environment of the house totally changed. Okay, so it was really a fun for all the people. Watch the video 2 to 3 times, listen carefully, then you will be understanding well. So did you see what happened in the poem? Huh? Daddy fell down into the pond and it was a kind of great fun for all other people. But in reality, it may not happen, right? If somebody fell down, okay, if it is a small thing, okay, fine. We will just laugh and leave it. But if it is bleeding, we shouldn't laugh. If they are in pain, we have to go to them and help them. We shouldn't laugh. In this poem, okay, it's a small thing and daddy just fell into the pond. It was not that much deep and nothing happened to daddy, so everybody felt it's funny. But in real life, if anybody fall, what you have to do? You shouldn't laugh, okay? You shouldn't try to click the photograph. You have to help them. You just lift your hands to them, just help them to get up. So that's the way we have to be in real life. This is just for fun, okay? If it is a small thing, it will be really a fun. So I hope all of my children understood the concept of the poem. Bye children, have a good day.